Hello Shadowcrafters, welcome back to my channel. This should be my last video for today. My sister got this, one of my sisters, and I've already used it, but I'm just doing a box opening for you guys. Some stuff might be missing, but it's not altogether the point. So let's see what they gave me. Gloves. Six pigments. Oh no, dyes. Oh, that might be even better than the other stuff. A geode. What the heck is this? I didn't even use this, so I don't know. A geode coaster mold. Some measuring cups. I don't like these. I've already used them and tested them. They're not, yeah, you can't really do anything. And it takes forever to dig this stuff out. Measuring cups. I don't particularly like these either. All the measurements are on the inside. Just like with this. And it's hard to get it all out, and it doesn't dry properly. It doesn't cure properly. A spoon. Some mica powder. Got some nice colors in there. I like the blues. And some other mica powder. Let's find out what these colors are, because I haven't checked that out yet. Which I guess are basic colors. Yellow. I like the tangerine. Black, blue, green. The green looks nice. White, gold, wine, fuchsia, and purple. Those are nice colors. Some flakes, gold, silver, and I guess that's rose gold in here. This is the one I used to make a coaster for my mom with the rose gold flakes. This was pretty good mold. This, on the other hand, is warped. I don't appreciate that either. This looks okay. It's, except for that right there. That's not gonna end up happy. Some glitter. Golds and silvers. Some pipettes, and wow, this I don't appreciate at all. So Let's Resin, if you are watching, you guys need to get a hold of whoever packs things and quality control. And you know, this little gift package is not making me happy, and neither is this. 2 A's. You need an A and a B. It's a 1-to-1 mix. There's no way any of this could work. So, yeah, my first haul for a kit is very disappointing. But I like your resin, so I keep buying it. But I don't know if I'm going to have any of my sisters waste money on getting the kits, because 2 of the molds are bad, 3 of the molds are bad, and yeah, not the right mixing. Bad cup mixing cups, bad measuring cups. You need to figure something else out. But, you know, it's a good shot, so. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to, you know, subscribe, like, share, buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you very much for stopping by. Have a good day. Namaste.